Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles number 30 has these two covers. This is actually a really awesome cover. This is by Ross Campbell. And here's the variant cover for this book. Now, earlier in the episode I said there was another announcement coming sometime later in the show. And it is related to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So, here it is. Wednesday, February 12th, 2014, of course. Here at Stadium Comics at Shoppers World, we're going to be having a signing to celebrate the release of X-Files Conspiracy Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles number 1. Yes! X-Files and Ninja Turtles crossing over into the same comic. We're going to have series artist Michael Walsh here. You may remember him from books such as Comeback from Image Comics, Zero, also from Image Comics, and the upcoming artist on Secret Avengers when it relaunches with a new number 1, which stands with an issue 1 in March. So Michael Walsh will be here, and inker for the book, Adam Gorham, who's also a good friend of Stadium's, and is currently the artist on Teuton, which he does with Fearless Fred Kennedy, and he's also done inks for Zero as well. So Adam and Mike will both be here February 12th. Stay tuned for more details on that. You'll definitely not want to miss that event. X-Files and Ninja Turtles together. Is there a better combination than that?